So let's just talk about environments in Postman. So environments are basically provides a way to manage variables specific to different development or testing environment. So let's just see how we can create multiple environment and then switch between them. So here currently you can see we do not have any environment. So first of all, let's just create one. So here we have to click on add. Now we have to assign one name to the environment. So I'm going to call it QA environment. Now here we can have multiple variables under this environment. So we can create one variable username and the value can be QA user. Similarly also we can create another password and the value can be QA password. We have to click on save. Now from the drop down we have to select that environment. So currently we are working under this environment. Now under this environment we can access these variables. So suppose we are working in the delete user request. Now in the test we can console log those variables. So we can access pm.variables.get and here we can access the username and also the password. So now if we run this, so here under this console you can see the username and the password are logged onto the console, and that is because we are currently working under this QA environment. Now let's just create another environment where we can have these variables but with a different value. So for this we have to similarly click on add button and here we're gonna call this reg environment. So similarly also here we can have the variable username and the value is reg user, and also we can have the password and the password is reg password, and then click on save. So we have created another environment reg where we have the same username password but with a different value, and here in the drop down you can see we can select from multiple environment. So currently we're gonna select the reg environment. Now under this environment these variables will have a different value. So now if we run this same request in the console we have a different username and password, and that is because of this environment. So this way we can select and switch between multiple environment and we can have different value for the same variable, and also we can delete any environment. So suppose we wanted to delete the QA environment, so we have to select that and then click on edit, and here we have three dots, so we have to click on that, and at the end you can see we can delete our environment. So we have to click on delete. So our environment is successfully deleted. So this is the way we can create multiple environment and we can switch between them, and this will streamline the testing workflow. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.